Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2017 Audi Q3 maintenance light reset. First of all, go ahead and turn on your car without starting, and we're going to be using these buttons over here. This left bottom corner button, this scroller. The scroller is also act as an enter. You can press on it, and this menu button over here. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. As you can see, I already reset the system, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it. Okay, now go ahead and press menu. And when you press menu, you're going to get here to this screen right here. And I'll use the scroller to scroll to car, enter on that. And as you can see, the word system, go ahead and use that left bottom corner button and click on it. Now use the scroller and scroll to servicing and check, enter on it. Scroll down to service interval display, enter on it. Scroll down to reset oil change interval, enter on that, and scroll up to yes, enter on it, and we will be done. There you go, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.